I'm so sorry that I haven't been doing videos. Literally, it's been like
ages.
About 4 months like, that we haven't done a video because we've been super busy.
Yeah.
I may have adopted some more birds.
May
have, yeah.
Yeah.
So here's Paco, just being himself. Just like, yep, he wants to step up. Now you have to deal with him for the whole day.
Oh well.
Because he will not get off you.
He loves me.
We could put him in his tree outside. Wait, that's upstairs. But anyway, I think he's outside.
Come on then.
So, it's a little bit different. Nico is now lonely, by himself. See, there's literally no one in the cage with him, just himself. But he's happy because he don't get bullied no more.
Nella.
And then here's Nella somewhere.
On the floor.
There's Nella.
I have a parrot on my shoulder.
Yep. We can bring him out here. And I have some noisy birds.
Yes, we have.
Oh, like noisy. I forgot to get the food, but we'll get that in a minute. Where's Paco's tree?
I think it's outside. No, it's upstairs.
So here's the noisy people.
So
There's Pineapple, the bully that used to be with Nico.
this is Alvin.
This is Alvin. These are the new ones.
That's
Paco. Alvin.
I'm gonna have to stay away.
That's Dusty. He's a cockatiel. And then back there is Simon and Theodore. Simon is the one closest here. The more skinnier one and the more blue. And Theodore's the more fatter one, but his blue is more like a grey blue colour. Yes, I know you want to be the spotlight, don't you? Yes, you do. And there's Dusty.
And then
He just likes to sit there. Can't really see, but we've got to go in there. Oh, there we go. We're not really focusing that much, but you know, we'll focus on you, obviously. Sure, that's
and then, how do you get like parrots to stop biting your hair? Hi. What's up?
Well, let's find this tree because I have no idea where
I
it is.
think it's upstairs because remember when I slept around?
Back with you once we have the tree. Here is the tree. The tree.
Go then.
You need to bend down there.
Say no.
Step up.
Go on
Bend
then,
down.
step up. Good boy.
Right.
He's such a good boy.
You wait out here with him.
I nearly called you Justin. No.
Right. Think the food. What do you see over there? There's a bit of seed here. This is just literally my drawer of everything. Oh my god, I need to show you something. So there are Paco's long feathers, but literally I'll have a whole box. And he's got his clip feathers in there, which is good. So he's starting to fly a bit better. Because obviously more proper feathers are coming back. Don't worry, I don't feed my birds chocolate. I need some more food because I've only got that much. But Paco don't have seeds all the time anyway, so it's good. That'll be plenty. I'll probably save some of that as well. And they do like some treats, so I'll take some of them. They like dried bananas and stuff like that. And I did buy Paco a new toy. It was literally brand new, all nice. He destroyed that. Nico's had a couple of new toys. He's got them in his cage, but I put one of his outside. Oh, no, I forgot this. Yeah, so all I've got to do is sweep the bottom of the cage, change the water, and change the food.
He was letting me touch his head.
Get the top one. Yep. Put it on the table. Nella thinks they're hers. She's like, oh my god.
He was letting me touch.
Oh yeah, I'm growing sunflowers, carrots and peas. They're not growing yet, but they will soon.
You've got a lot of carrots in there. 20 plus carrots. Yeah.
Right, let's see if you can stand. What are you doing, Pineapple?
Oh, Milo.
I want to stand this up here.
Now he's letting me stroke him.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to see.
Like that.
Peekaboo. Right, is that... I think there's half of the dustpan brush there, but I need to get the other half.
Oh, no, he's actually letting me stroke him.
Alicia is very happy that Paco's letting her stroke him because he literally normally hates them. I can't find it.
Yeah. Who's a clever boy? You are.
I
Sorry.
actually can't find the dustpan.
The pan's there.
Yeah, the dust brush thing.
The brush, not the pan.
We could use this.
I'll use that.
Yeah, okay. You have that. You need to stay there. Oh, just you try and use it. Just hold it at the bottom.
Yeah, that's
I'm looking to get some more girl budgies, so if anyone knows where there's any girl budgies.
Yes, I'll just break that off.
Yeah, you can do. I obviously live in England, so I'm not going to come and get one from all the way from like
Africa.
America or something, so. It's hard to do this with one hand, you know.
Need to help.
It's a bit rusty, so.
I like a rusty spoon. Okay, guys, we've been watching Salad Fingers. If you don't know what that is, you should go ahead and watch it. Just search up in the Google.
Right. You go in first. Oh, sorry, guys. Be careful, no one's there.
Nope. I'm good.
Careful with the water as well.
I have a look. Right, just stay there a sec.
Yeah, I am.
Dusty, stay there.
Do you want me to get you something to put the seeds in?
If you are. I'm just gonna start like getting all loads of stuff out of the corners.
Yeah, here's a dustpan. Try and make sure you try and squeeze everything in there, because then we won't have to get a bag.
Yeah.
What
It
size is
was
that for? Right, I'll feed you because you're waiting patient now. Being a good boy.
This should be my.
He's coming over now.
Brush. Don't ever throw this brush away. This is my brush.
You want some banana? Right.
What's up, guys? Dusty.
Well done, you threw that. Now Nella ate it, so now you've not got a banana. You can have these after. He knows that these are his.
Guys, Dusty literally loves me whistling.
I have to do stuff with all with two. Ugh. It's very hard doing like a 5-hand job. So you try and
Right, let me.
kick the door a bit because I can't really open it. Right, here's the budgie food. Just put these on the floor.
Yep. I'm just squeezing everything through one little.
Right, am I right to come in? Actually, no, hang on a sec. Let me get the water first, so we don't have to keep going back inside. So I get the water.
Let me just get Dusty off.
So we have to get this. Oops. Hang on a sec, guys. There we go. Nella. Boo!
He's jealous, May.
Right,
Wait, there's birds.
Oh. Get the 2 water bowls on the other side, near Alvin.
Hey, Alvin.
Sorry, my finger's in the way.
They're full.
Yeah, and tip them into the big bowl.
Dude! Stop. Are you just recording me? Alvin, move. Okay, I'm actually really close there. It's gone rust there.
No, it's not, it's fine. It's because you put it on good for me.
I'm sorry. Ah!
Nella, get down.
Where's John?
Put them back, tip them out. Are they clean? Are they clean? Let me see.
Yes.
Wash them, swirl them in the big bowl. Just like move it around so it gets like.
Done.
And then put them back where they were.
Dude, Dusty, stop being weird.
Alvin looks so much like Nico, but just Nico's more dark blue.
Yeah.
You got something stuck to you.
I know, it's like my best friend. Look at
Right.
my hair.
Pass me the big water bowl. Hold on, guys.
Wait, there's just.
I need to stop it a second because this is a hard job. I'm in.
Okay. Guys, I have the fun job with my mini. Guys, do you like my mini broom? Ah! Why is this thing attached to me? Guys, do you like
This is
my
where it is.
What?
This is falling down. It's like a little pin. And I put it in here. And the bag like to sit on it. Keeps falling down.
Dusty? Okay, we have a bird.
That goes the end to it.
Wait, what time did my dad say that we'd be back?
7:30.
Okay.
This was the other toy that I was on about. It's cute.
Okay, I have a bird. Where is he?
My pineapple.
Hey, Dusty.
Well, this light is very low. Oh, hi. got bad in him, man.
Calm down. Look how jealous Paco looks.
I know, look at him. It's like, what are you doing?
Hey.
Right. Alvin's so cute. Look at his little tail. Oh, you noticed I was switching him and then flew away.
You nearly landed on him. It would be better if we had like a little thing.
Oh! They knocked into each other.
Yay, you made it. Them two would make all cute babies. Wouldn't that?
I think Theodore, no, Simon and Pineapple would make cute babies.
Yeah.
Simon's behind you, now he's there.
Dude.
He's the cute one. He looks after his brother. Oh yeah, Simon and Theodore, them two, they're twin brothers.
They might
But they're not. There they are. Well, they're brothers. Okay, they might not be twins because they look different. But they're brothers because they've got the same band.
Then Alvin's the site, suck my dude.
I'm just a big fat duty.
Oh,
Right, carry on sweeping them. One of them landed on Alvin's head. Lump in there.
That was dude! I want to take his mohawk.
Try.
Dude, why are you so scared? Oh, you nearly
You
left.
thought he was gonna come up then.
Somebody. Dude, why are you so scary?
I know. It's scary, isn't it? Because it's so big and he just comes right in your head.
Come on. Dude.
He loves me. Right, come on then. I want him to go on me. It's so cute.
Do you like my mini brush, guys?
Yes, it's so sexy.
I know, right? It's like dwarfs. Here you go.
Thanks.
This room is like for dwarves.
Right, you need to move. Big fat Alvin. Juicy boy. I can go there.
What? Wait. Hi. Suck my dude.
There's some coconut down here. This one.
Huh?
Coconut.
Coconut. Where's the coconut from?
They came with all the dry fruit. Right.
I feel like I'm a dwarf now with this thing.
Right, where am I going? Sorry, wait.
Yo, dude!
Hang on, guys. You can stay and watch Paco while I do this food. Because I can't do many things at once.
You could watch me. I'm special. Dude, just land on me. You landed on me.
Pineapple goes straight to the food, look.
So does Owen.
Look, Pineapple's like, yes, sir.
Food! You are fat, fam.
Right, let me do the other food. There's no land on him. I want him.
I want it. I want it. Yo, yo, yo! He's so close to landing on me.
Alvin, move your big butt.
Check the price. Put it back. I checked the price. I put it back. Let's see it. I like it. Paco! Paco!
Paco, hold that quick, quick.
Quick! Justy, move!
Paco, what the hell? I've never seen him fly so much.
Go away, Justy!
Paco, he's on the roof.
Go! Go away!
Paco, stay.
Quick, hurry up!
Paco, he's all the way up there. Come on, fly. Come on, good boy. Come on. Good boy.
Good boy, Paco!
Oh my God, you're so naughty. That was so... Would you get jealous? Did you want to go in there and see? Paco.
Paco!
Come on, do some flying. Come on, good boy. Come on then. Stay there. Don't wander off. Oh crap, the treats are there with you.
Do you want me to...
My bird's stuck on the aviary. Give me sunflower seed, pass it through. Pass one, no, sunflower seed, you got them in your hand. One of the black ones, pass it through the gap. He's scared, I can tell. No, through this big one. They're fighting.
Stop!
Nella, get down. She's climbing up the bush.
Stop it!
He's actually good, he's not even moving.
Do you want me
Right,
to-
hang on. Paco, stay. Oh my god, I've never seen Paco like fly that high before.
Dude! Yo, we got a load.
Nella, you get down. Get down.
We have
You
a
enjoying up there? He's like, oh my god. What's this? Come on then. Look, Jackson, Paco's up there.
quick.
We're doing a YouTube video, by the way, but look where he is. He flew up there because me and Lissy was in there, and then he flew down to that, and then he decided to fly back up.
Do you want to try and get him, Brie?
Jackson,
Hello.
still there. Come on then.
Yo, Dusty's a bullet.
Come on, go. He wants to stay up there now.
Well, we need to get him down.
Excuse, you're in my video. No, he's not going to come down to you. He flies down.
Stand on the
No,
chair.
I don't need to because he flies down.
I love my you.
Yo, I'm going to try and get some.
Come on.
I want Dusty to get.
Come on, good boy. Come on, Paco, he has to come down. You can't sit there all day.
No, Jackson, he's gonna bite you.
Good boy. He dropped his sunflower seeds.
No.
There it is.
No.
Oi! Dusty!
Right, you step up here. Paco flew onto the Avery show. He was literally on here and he flew all the way over there. No, Quinn, that's dangerous. You're going to kill someone with that.
Yo, he's just landed on there.
Right. Quinn, go to show.
Quinn, come on then.
Literally, he flew from there all the way to the top of the Avery and he came down and flew down to me. You have to stay there. I've got to help Alicia.
Oh, me.
Right, now you know if he flies up there, it's not a big deal. He flies back down. That's never happened to me before.
Right.
And he's never actually flew. He's flew from my arm to the branch and that, but he's never flew like hard.
I want Dusty.
You never know, that could be another step towards recall.
Yeah, that'd be really cool. So guys, I'm trying to get Dusty into my hand by feeding him a bunch of food, like sunflower seeds.
You can tell he got scared then, couldn't you?
Yeah.
By the look on his face.
Oh yeah, you know Simon? Yo, Simon just landed up. Oi! Stop being a bullet! Yo, Dusty's a bullet.
I'll hold that sec.
Guys, you never knew this, but Dusty is a bully.
Where? I swear I put food in there. Just be careful, you're going to walk into Paco's tree.
I want to go.
You can't.
Yeah, I'm going to try and pass you something.
Why?
I'm going to try and pass you something.
No, Brio, he'll
Rio,
bite
leave
you.
him. Get this seed. Get this
Dusty, you're a bully.
Give it to Paco, go. Give it to him.
Look, Dusty's like such a bully.
I suppose he's the bigger bad though, so he will.
Can you get it?
Yo, look! Poor Theodore! You're right, Theodore. Say hi, Jax.
Don't touch him, he's eating.
Yo, come here, Alvin. Yo, Dusty, stop it! Pineapple, want some food? Is Dusty just hugging all the food?
I've got some seeds out of him.
Dusty. Come here, Theodore. Stop it. Come here. No, stop.
What? Leave him.
Look at
Leave
Simon.
him, dude.
Simon's just like, hey, my dude.
Which one's that one?
Don't touch, don't. Yo, stop it.
Which one's this one?
Stop.
Try and move him out the way.
Which one's this one,
No,
Maya?
not here.
Just
Maya.
Yeah.
Which one's
He's gonna bite
which one's
me.
that one?
Whoa, he nearly bit me.
Which one's this one?
Rio, leave him.
And Maya, which one's this one?
That's Theodore. Rio, excuse. You're interrupting the video because we're trying to do it. Don't. If you ruin it, then.
Oh, hi.
I'm gonna say something about you.
Oi, Dusty.
Careful.
Paco.
Look, let's go. Show him.
Somebody.
He'll stay there. Leave him. He'll stay there. It's fine.
Yo, Dusty.
There you go. Let everyone eat.
Everyone eat before Dusty.
Alvin, you're gonna get attacked by a
Giant bird.
He flew onto the roof, Rio. I never knew he could fly like that. But clearly he's starting to be able to fly a lot.
Just give him some food or something.
But he listens, so it's fine. I don't care if he flies into there. Even if he stays there for a bit, he comes
Where's
back down.
Pineapple?
She's up there.
Give us some. Try and.
What do you want, Paco? He's just getting jealous that we're in here, and it is like, I want to be in here.
Give him a banana.
Paco.
Let's see if she wants to step on.
Look, black currant juice.
Clearly didn't want that. No, he won't. He'll bite you. Leave him. Right. Did you get the food from out there?
Yeah. Yo, Dusty's a big bully. Say hi to the bully.
excuse out the way. That sound is so satisfying. Sure. So there's some budgie seeds. Yo, that's the sleep until it was.
It's alright.
Yo, look at that. Look at that, May. Look, quick. Look in the camera. Look how cool that looks.
Should I put this in here?
So we have budgie seed.
It's not gonna cost it.
This is basically Paco's food. The bird eat it as well.
Hey, drop this back.
So we have these, some food. Yep, some cold.
Pack of that, he'll eat it.
Yo, where's Dusty's in the corner just like chilling?
He will never say no to I'll catch it.
Hey, Pop.
See, told ya. Wait, does it not eat the shell now?
He'll get seed out the middle of it. Do you want to hold it? Right. But then check the price. I put it back. Dude, don't! Right. Keep the don't touch any of the birds. Dusty! Try and keep him there. Don't make him angry, Rio. Right, let's try and sweep them into that. I can't, I've got the camera. What's up, dude?
Hey!
Don't move on, Rio.
No.
Yeah, because if you've got to put your fingers, they're going to fly. Leave them to fight. That's what they do. What birds fight. The strongest one obviously wins gets food. This is ridiculous. Right, Alice, you get out a sec. Okay. So I'm going to pass you the foods. Right, get out with the camera. Okay. I'll pass you the camera. Careful, wait. Take the press. Don't shut it all the way. Right, I'm going to pass you these.
It's not shutting.
Yeah, I didn't say shut it. I said don't shut it all the way.
Okay. Sorry about this, guys, but Nella.
Paco, just say something.
Hello, Paco.
I'm just going to put the camera to me if you want.
All right. Let me just put all this on the. Yo, Nella's been in that thing. Oh no, she hasn't. Thought she was in a pee. Do you want me to get Paco down and put him on his tree?
No, he's fine there. He'll come down to me in a sec.
So guys, I have a parrot there who is chewing a plastic piece.
Yeah, two beautiful parrots.
Budgie's dear, Alvin, Simon. Oh no, that's their door. Simon's literally over there. You can't really see him. Oops. We have a Budgie. And Paco is coming towards me. Come on then. We have a parrot who is about to kill me. What do you want?
He wants fingers.
Okay, I think I gave him permission.
Right. Yeah, come and get this.
What is it? Kettle.
Right, I'm coming out now.
Alright. Let me just go put this back. Then I press. I put it back. I just press. I put it back. I see it, honey. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it.
Hi, Paco.
Come on then.
Who are you biting?
Come on then.
You might want to come to me.
Nope. He's like, mine. Say hi.
Try and make him fly to the top one. Try and keep telling him to go to the roof.
Go to the roof. Go to the roof. Go on then.
Come up here. Paco.
He's like, nope. I'm on a person's arm now. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, he said.
Come on up.
Go on then.
Come here. Paco.
Okay, you can hold the camera.
Careful.
Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Come on.
Say nope.
Paco. Come on. Come on.
Say nope.
Come on then. Good boy. Come on.
Yoink.
Have you had an adventure? Do you want to fly back up there? Well then.
We're off on an adventure.
Step
We're
up.
off on an adventure.
No, okay. That's fine. They're just eating. There's a bunch of feathers. I don't know where they're from.
Oh no.
What are you? You're cute.
Oh no.
Right.
Dude, stop it.
Do you want to come back to TK? Let's see. Clearly you don't want to do more recall, but it's fine. We have evidence that you love to fly onto Avers.
Real, I'm actually doing YouTube now.
Sit up here. Okay. He's not going to want to go.
darling. Let me see.
Paco, step up. Good boy.
Let me see if your face is clean. Look at me, please. Look at my.
Right, let's go back outside.
Which one's that?
Charles' wife phone. So we're all locked up. They'll just eat. Nella's got something on her head. Go and check what Nella's got on her head.
Nella, what you got on your head?
What is it?
It's probably. Do you know when I took the food out there?
Oh yeah.
Probably that. Right, let's see how these are doing. Look at the little sunflower. Look how cute it is, guys. Soon there'll be a beautiful sunflower. Now we're moving on to the peas. Peas.
You cannot see anything there.
How does the wind?
Two fatties eating. So that's Alvin. That's Theodore.
Simon.
Simon and Pineapple are eating in there. But look, you tell about the blue with Theodore. He's more of a grey blue.
And then just these. Yeah.
Alvin just so fluffy. Actually, talking about Fluffy and Alvin, let's go and get Nico out for a bit.
Yay!
Right, quickly come here. Get the food on the top.
This food is something.
Right, we'll go in the living room. And then we'll do it a bit on Nico. He went flying near Paco. Just shut up in there. I don't know when it stopped, but you know it's fine. Right, this mate.
Can I get him?
He's a bit hard to get out.
No, he's not.
Hold the door up. Hold the door up.
Hi. I want him. I want to see him.
He's close. Here's Nico.
Come in. Someone, dude. He's actually fly. Dude, that's
Yesterday we got him out, and we were standing near the telly, and he flew all the way.
careful. Oh, we've got Nico.
Yeah, he flew all the way. Look, let me try to show you.
Be careful, Paco.
He won't fly near Paco, trust me. Come on then.
Get him.
No, he won't fly if you're there. His tail, look, oh, he didn't even point at him. He hasn't got a tail because Pineapple kept bullying him and then kept pushing him off the branches, and then his tail feathers kept on snapping. And he's got some really cute pin feathers coming. You can see. Should we give him a bit of help? Go. Oh, he didn't want to do it. He's jumped. Bring him to me. He won't fly.
Nope.
Alright, now we got some help.
Oh my god, I need to edit in that photo when you know, when Paco flied on my
Oh yeah.
wardrobe. I'll edit it now. So, yeah, you've seen that. I don't know if you've seen all of it, but it was pretty funny. Go on, you can make it. Oh! Excuse. He landed in there. Right, open his cage.
That was really quick.
Come on then. You can go in, it's open. His little jump is so funny.
Is that all we do?
Let's go back outside to do the outro because it's nice doing the outro outside. With Nella. Because Nella is a big butthole. Nella! That's my seat. I was going to sit on that. Thank you very much. Yes. We need to sit together. Actually, I've got a good place to do the outro. So, thank you all guys for watching.
Yay.
This lighting's actually really nice. Just a natural skylight.
This is like just show them the sky if you want. That's natural lighting. We don't have anything behind us or anything.
Yeah, we have the aviary.
We have the aviary.
The birds are like there eating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
And if you've got any more suggestions about any video, and I think we're at 10 subscribers or 9.
9.
Oh well.
Wait, I'll have a look.
My hair's very messy. Anyway, yeah. So I want to get to about 20 subscribers.
I think we'll be able to do that. Guys, if you're watching, please get us to 20 subs.
Yeah, and we'll give you a shout out. If you want a shout out, then just comment.
Shout out.
We'll give you a shout out.
Because we're that nice.
And we'll get Paco to learn your name, and then he'll just say your name every day. It'll be annoying, but it'll be cool. Because literally, if I tell him a word, if I say it once, the next day he'll say it. not even joking.
So if your name's like Maria, just he'll say to Maria, Paco, say Maria.
And then the next day we'll catch him saying Maria and we'll try and like video it. But yeah, anyway.
Okay, thank you guys.
So thanks for watching.
Okay,
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.